All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to our next episode of Pearl of Africa Systems School Management System Demo. In our last episode, we looked at the overview, and right now we want to see how the system actually tracks and records students' information and records. Okay, so this is what we looked at yesterday, and right now I want us to see how the system manages student records and information. Let us see the students. So as you can see, the students button, this is where we admit our students from in a school. So in student admission, as you can see, this is our grid view. Our grid view is already showing some students that were already registered by the system. So right now, let us look at these text boxes. So when you're admitting a student, you add student ID, which is automatically generated by the system and given to each student. Each student must have a unique student ID. So when we are filling in, we fill in the admission number. For example, if I want to admit a student, I will add admission number P00345. That is the admission number. And the name, the first name, I put the first name. Let me say Heli. First name is Heli. Then I put the last name. Last name I put Heli Irene. Last name I put Irene. And the gender, she's a female. Yeah. The date of birth. Let's say this. Sorry about that. Let's say she was born. She's born of 2015 January 15th January 2015. Yeah. Okay. So the class for this student of ours, let's say primary 4, and the stream is stream B. Okay. So the parents, we add also the parents contact, as you can see. Then after adding, what we need to do is to save or to add the student in our system. So when we add, as you can see, it shows to us that student registered successfully. Okay. So as you can see, immediately after entering our student, it shows the student. It shows to us that it uploads in the what? It uploads on the grid view. So let's try to search the name that we have just entered, which is Heli. So when you search, you see Heli Irene. So the system has already registered this student. So if we need to change something or any information from this student, in case we want to change the student from the stream B and we take her to stream A, you just come here to our grid view after searching the student here, then you double click. When double click, it will fill into these text boxes, and what you need to do is to just press the edit button. After pressing the edit button, we change from stream B to stream A, as you can see. After, then we click on the update button. So when we click on the update button, you will see that the student has been updated successfully, just as you can see that student ID Heli Irene has been changed from stream B to stream A, just as you can see here. So in the same case, if we want to delete this student in case the student has changed school, or the student in case the student has changed school, so use the same procedure. You just double tap, it fills that our text boxes, then you delete student. So the system will question us, are you sure you want to delete student ID 21, first name Heli? So of course we shall say yes, because we want to delete the student, and the student will no longer be in our system. When we try to search for Heli, the system will tell us no matching student found. So this is how our system actually works. This is how our student admission module, how it tracks student records and manages them properly. So in our next episode, we are going to see how this system tracks and manages fees and payments of parents. Yes. For now, I'll end here, and we shall wait for the next episode. Follow us on Twitter, on TikTok, on Facebook, Pearl of Africa Systems. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, Pearl of Africa Systems. Remember, with Pearl of Africa Systems, your excellence is our mission. With Pearl of Africa Systems, African smart systems, African excellence. Goodbye.